all about you, and not at all about you. Now that's two opposing thoughts, and yet both of them are true. How can you experience everything you choose to do while observing the experience you're having or hiding? See, it's the question, not the answer, that's the higher. Otherwise, you couldn't differentiate between the two.
What a day. Wow.
You think you hurt me, but I promise I was letting you. They say we're all one, but where...
Alright guys, it is the morning. This morning, it's about 8 a.m. Starting the day with work, because I have deadlines to meet Sunday. We're enjoying working in the sun because we're making the most of sitting at work, but also treating our health. So, gonna do some work. Alright, banged out some work. Now, gonna hit a bike ride. We are back. That was a good ride. Enjoyed it. Guys, I was going through it though. Even right now, the eyes with like the pollen just like nailing me. We love being barefoot in the summer. Nothing better than that. Oh, let those toes free. From one bike to another. Guys, I gotta get to the ocean. I'm craving it. I need it.
So I travel back in time. I have everything I want because my imagination is mine. But mine is not enough for me, because I am not my mind. I could see it all, but never get to see I'm truly blind. I could be it all, but all identity is intertwined. The moon is only bright as it reflects the sunshine.
Now for one of my favorite parts of the day, we're gonna do a little tanning of the body. But the only difference is we do the whole body. Favorite part of the day? Sack tanning. I'm actually going to do a little grocery haul. I'm gonna take you guys along, show you what I get. It's not gonna be a crazy one today, but as always, we get the good stuff and you're gonna come along. All right guys, we got the goods. Arugula, classic, organic pasture-raised eggs, and also some new olive oil. We got cheese, grass-fed beef, eggs, mandarin oranges, bananas, sweet potatoes, a whole case of Mountain Valley water. And that's our haul. That is it. The Mountain Valley spring water I've been getting a lot more of it, but it's worth it. Our bodies are made up of 70% water, which means we gotta get good water, so that's that. Oh, look at that fish! How good is this? It is 5 p.m. now. Finishing up work, got some things done on a Saturday. Love spending my time catching up or getting ahead on the weekend, even though I feel like I'm playing catch up right now. I am now going to head to the beach, to the ocean, end off my day right. We are at the beach. We're gonna get in some breath work, enjoy the sounds of nature. Nothing better than the ocean. Do you prefer the woods or the ocean?
Ocean all day.
Easily, ocean all day. Breath work. Do it. Good morning. How are you doing today? Are you getting out there this morning, getting in that sunlight in the eyes? I knew you would because you watch these videos, so you're on top of your shit. Today we are actually going to Boston again. We went to Boston last week, but we're going again. I'm gonna take you guys along. For now, morning walk, gonna walk the beach, clear my head, and then we're getting after it.
spin you out on my knees right.
All right, guys, we are off to Boston. So I'm gonna take you guys along on this journey. It is a beautiful day. You know those summer days when you're just outside or in your car and you're just blasting incredible music and it's sunny out, the birds are chirping, the leaves are on the trees? That is exactly what I just experienced. It's truly just one of the best feelings when summer starts to roll in. Guys, so I wanted to pick up the camera as I'm driving because what I do, I like to maximize my time as much as possible. So that might look like playing a podcast, calling family or friends that I haven't talked to in a while, or Audible, listening to a book. It's my favorite way to maximize my car time. So listening to a book right now, I actually just got it. It's called Unscripted by MJ DeMarco. I didn't think my mind could shift even more in the sense of knowing that I have to pave my own path, but it's being crushed again by MJ DeMarco's book, his words. Incredible. Right now he's talking about time. I'm almost getting anxious listening to him talk because I know I fall victim to a lot of these things, but you know, he's talking about how we'll wait until this beautiful dream in our minds of retirement and traveling and getting a boat, all that beautiful stuff. But by that time, you're already 60 or 70 and you're retiring then. Your health is not as good as it is right now. I'm in my 20s. My health is incredible, thank God. But you're using that to slave your life away into work. You can't make this shit up. It's crazy. It's just crazy to think about that we are okay with this idea of wasting our life away 5 days a week. We get the weekend to play, but then once the week comes back, it's like, no, you gotta work 9 to 5. It never made sense to me, but it's all starting to come together even more.
I pulled the limousine to the shoulder of...
All right, guys, property number 1 is shot. Now off to property number 2, Medford. Then we're going back to the Cape. All right, property shoots are done. We got some stuff to do.
Method require placebos. You're what follows. A response imbued with...
All right, and just like that, we are back in Cape Cod. So, pulling into the house, gonna make some food real quick, and then it is to work for the rest of the day. Let's enjoy it. Hello there. It's been a little bit since I spoke to you. I mean, well, actually, to you, it's only been like a second, but so I've just been really in this chair just working. Not much else to show. So you know what? I had a thought come to mind. This video is gonna be a full 2-3 days in my life. So, since I'm just gonna be glued to this computer, I'm gonna see you guys in a bit. Beautiful things are happening, just a lot on my mind. But, you know, that's what I signed up for. Right here, little outdoor shower. Favorite part of the day, little outdoor shower. Also, always use a shower filter out that tap water. We don't want that. Such a vibe. So guys, outdoor shower is done. Just to give you some game, this is something I've been trying out. So this is olive oil, salt, and citric acid. So 3 ingredients, super clean. A lot of the soaps we use today are just full of shit, to put it simply. And yeah, so far so good. Also, always ending that shower on cold, no matter where you are, no matter if it's summer, winter, end it on cold. I remember looking at something, it was like a study done. It showed just by people taking 30 seconds at the end of their outdoor shower, there was a massive reduction in people getting sick. We got a big day today, heading over to New Jersey for a real estate project. Gonna be doing some content over there. And then we are back on Thursday or Friday. We'll see what happens. Beautiful day. We're off to New Jersey.
Calling out your name.
I am tired. I'm going to bed. It's like 8:30. That's actually New York City right there. I don't even know if you can see that, but of course, blue light blockers on, ready to go to bed. Can't have that blue light in the face, especially 2 hours before bed. So, I'm gonna go. I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning. It is 6 a.m. now. So, gotta get ready, start some work, and then go to the property, get this done, head back. We got a day ahead of ourselves, so we're gonna get on with it. You know, we had to get morning sunlight somehow. So we're going outside to the back and getting some sunlight. Found me a good seat, now I'm enjoying that sun. That's how you wake up. 10 minutes, 20 minutes of sunlight in the eyes. You're gonna feel incredible. All right, we are out of here. All right guys, as you can see, I'm sweaty, I'm greasy. It's been a long day so far, so please don't judge. I'm off to go do a quick project here in West Springfield, and then I'm actually heading back over to the Cape. Went to New York City, had that trip, then came back, worked on the computer, went to bed, woke up this morning, went to jury duty, which I don't even really want to talk about. The energy there, everything about it is just, but now we're off to the Cape. Tomorrow we have Best Buddies. So a Best Buddies event, gonna be doing that. It's a busy one, but I love it. The mind is racing. It is time to go to the Cape. We're packed and ready to go. Most importantly, now we're good to go. And then of course, we just got the classic goods right here. Oh baby, it is a beautiful day on Cape Cod, and look at that, the best sight I could ever see. Especially after jury duty. We're gonna get back here, we're gonna get in the zone. What a sight! Oh my God! All right guys, I just unpacked. Now I'm taking the bike. I have to get to the ocean, jump in there, and just feel it.
Finding what you had in mind and seizing.
That felt incredible. It's insane how much you feel it when you go to the ocean, when you're living near the ocean, and then you go to like the city. Massive difference. I just feel healthier out here. So if you're able to get to the ocean, definitely get out there.